After his release from jail, Dr. Kafil Khan, who has now been cleared of National Security Act charges, said that the Uttar Pradesh government is stubborn and might frame him in another case. Khan was released after spending 8 months in jail for allegedly inciting communal enmity and promoting violence in the garb of Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests. Khan claimed he and his family have had to face many troubles as the state government was after him because of the oxygen issue in BRD Medical College. The Narcotics Control Bureau arrested 2 persons from Mumbai on Wednesday for allegedly supplying drugs to Samuel Miranda, actor Sushant Singh Rajput's house manager, who used to pass them on to actor Rhea Chakraborty's brother, Shoaik. Abdul Basit Parihar from Bandra and Zaid Vilatra from Andheri were arrested on the basis of some chats they found between Shoaik and Miranda. The NCB will interrogate the duo. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant informed on Twitter that he has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. He said he is asymptomatic and hence opted for home isolation. He tweeted, and I quote, "I shall continue to discharge my duties working from home. Those who have come in contact with me are advised to take the necessary precautions." Congress leader Rahul Gandhi hit out at the government over a host of issues like contraction of India's GDP, job loss, GST compensation, terming them all Modi-made disasters. He also accused the centre of not being able to control the rising cases of coronavirus in the country and of failing to address incidents of aggression on the border with China. The PM CARES Fund for COVID received 3,076 crore rupees in 5 days, according to an audit statement made public by the government. The statement for the financial year 2020 only records donations between March 27th, when the fund was set up, and March 31st. The audit statement does not include details of the domestic and foreign contributors or donors, which prompted former Finance Minister Chidambaram to question why the names of, quote, "these generous donors," unquote, were not revealed. National Conference leader Omar Abdullah said in a new book that he will neither be Indian enough for right-wing nationalist politicians nor Kashmiri enough for those who don't see Kashmir's future as part of India. He claimed nothing justifies what the centre did on 5th August last year, referring to the revocation of Article 370. However, he said that the incident or his subsequent incarceration would not cause him to shift his belief that the future of Kashmir lies with India.